Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We come back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it also like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is down in the description of that video, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today the market, it's happened here a red day today because of the debt selling, and the US stock market, all of them, they are going up, and even the US dollar is going up. That's why we see here that red day. How is it now here? As you see it, we reached till here, then the market fall down till here. But the good news, till now, we couldn't break that level down here. That one here, I started from here and here. And that's what I told you in the yesterday video. I told you here in the daily, there is nothing yet. Also, we need to still wait until we break in that level here. That one here, it needs to be broken here for us to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry. So here in the daily, it's still very, very, very early. And people, they been with us, they remember that. When us, we tell you we got 2 levels to buy from. We do it like that. We said we got here the 50 moving average. We buy from here 20% from our capital. And we said when we're going to touch the 200 moving average, we're going to buy 50% from our capital, and the other 50% we're going to leave it. If it deep more, we're going to buy, because me, I still believing that one is the last correction. And also we been saying that in our channel here for some time now. When we used to be here at 29k and 30k, we used to say, guys, there is the last correction going to come before the last jump, and that here it came. It's still more deep. We're going to fall down till here, till where we are going to touch here the 200 moving average. That is going to be the last chance for you guys to buy. So till now, everything still looking the same, nothing was changed, and maybe the correction is going to come just to here, to the 24k level. But also we are not going to buy from 24k. Also we are going to buy when we touch the 200 moving average, guys, remember that. So what shall we do now here in the daily? In the daily, there is nothing to do yet. The only thing you can focus on is about that level here, that one here. If it's getting broke here, maybe you can buy here, but I don't think so. We are going to break it on. Also, we are going to fall down till here, till the 200 moving average, because if you're watching the DXY or US dollar in the daily and weekly, we got 2 weeks in a row like that, big engulfing candles like that. So there is nothing yet. We need to show in the DXY there is a correction going to come, that when the Bitcoin is going to bounce. Till now there is nothing yet, so we need to wait and more. I think picture is too clear here, guys. Now let's going to see the coming news for today, for pictures to get more clear to you, because today we got very, very, very special news. So let's go in there. Here we are, that the coming news for today. As I told you, we got very, very special news today. What we got that one here is our friend Jerome Powell is going to come to talk. As you see it, is going to start at 3 o'clock, and that one is very, 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 very important news. We need to be focused about it. Maybe you're going to see tomorrow the market is going up, but first we are going to focus on what he's going to say. I think picture is too clear. Then we got Christine Lagarde. She's going to come to speak at 7 o'clock. Even that one you need to be focused about. I think picture is too clear here. We don't got something here to cover. And here is our friend, the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day. As you see it, nothing was changed. All US stocks today, they are green because of the debt ceiling deal. They are near to finish it. That way you see all US stocks, they're going up, plus the earnings of Walmart and those things. Everything is being good today. That way you see all US stocks, they being green. And even here, as you see, the VIX, is it very, very low. Also, we're crossing below 17 now. Also, we are 16 now. We are very close to break even that 16. That's a good sign. And look at the US dollar here. That was me at being telling you. We break that 102. Also, we are now here at 103.3. And we are going to 104. That way, me I tell you, the Bitcoin is going to fall down to touch that 200 moving average, guys. So prepare. When is it the right time you need to buy? Everything is very clear, guys. Here now, let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, first we came, we said we got here a head and shoulder like that. We said the neckline here. That's what else we said. We said it's getting broke here. Well, that we enter and the stop loss, we need to put it here or down in the head. People, they put in the stop loss down in the shoulder. Now it's being hitted. People, they put in the stop loss down in the head. They still holding the position of them. And me, I told you in the last video, we got here a very clear double bottom here, as you see it. And I told you the neckline of it. Is it here? So till now, we haven't broken above here. So us, we still waiting. And another thing here, people, they enter before with us. They enter from here. They remember that we used to have here a wage. Those ones, they still holding the position of them because the stop loss of them is here. Then they enter in the break here. So till now the market sells sideways here, as you see it. And now we got here a new price action. Let me show it to you. As you see that the new price action we got here that double top here, as you see it. Even that one you need to be focused about it. But till now we couldn't break here that level here. So till now there is no breaking here for the market to fall down. Maybe you're going to see the market going up tomorrow. So even that one you need to be focused about it. Where is the market is going to go tomorrow? Picture is too clear, guys. We don't need to make the video too long. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, as you see, when it's being here, also we enter long in that level here. Now it fall down to the bear control again. That means there is no power to push up. And that's something you need to be focused about because the bulls still now they don't got that power. And that's a mistake from us. We tell you to enter long, but that's a part of the game. You need to use stop loss. That way also we telling you for swing trading, you need always to use stop loss. Now us here, we are here at the bear market. I just show you the double top like that. If it's breaking the neckline down here, you need to enter short and to use stop loss and to put it in the top of the double top. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, we be in here at the oversold area. We used to have here a lot of price action. We have here that wage. That way also we enter long. We put stop loss down here. Yeah, now it hasn't bring in for us the target. The target also we said when it's going to touch here, that channel here, it's going to touch the top of it here, that the target of us. So till now it hasn't that one enter here to the overbought area and it hasn't touched here. So till now there is nothing yet. And here we said we got here a head and shoulder like that. Very clear head and shoulder. It's breaking the neckline, then it came back. So even that one you need to be focused about it. The only one who doesn't get broke is that double bottom here. Maybe tomorrow is going to give us here a triple bottom. Even that one we need to be focused about it. Now the market here, he tried to give us here like a symmetric triangle like that. Look at it. The market, he tried to give us here a symmetric triangle. Even that one we need to be focused about it. And let me show it to you. If you came here and you zoom out like this, look here what you got. You can come, you draw it from here like that, and you came to those ones like that. You got here a symmetric triangle, very clear symmetric triangle. You can even add to it the tails like that to make it more powerful zone like that. So even that one you can focus it about it, where it's going to get broke. Either it's going to get broke here or it's going to get broke down here for you to enter short or to enter long, guys. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into see 30 minutes what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, Yes, you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Very simple step. A thumbs up down, click at it, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. So please, guys, support us. You done it. Thank you very much, my friend. So here in 30 minutes, the last video, we used to be here. I told you need to be focused about that supply and demand zone here. And the market, he give you here a price action. Look at it. That one I haven't analyzed it for you, but it's very clear. Look at it. Double top here. Will give you enter short when it's getting broke here. The neckline here. Tail down here. And now he touch here that supply and demand zone here. That one here. Look at it. That one here. You see how we bring it from here and here. It being touch here. Even that one you need to be focused now what the market is going to give you. If it give you here a double bottom and breaking the neckline, you need to enter long. So till now it hasn't breaking up, it hasn't breaking down. So you need to wait in where is the market is going to go. Let's see our indicator was saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator is it here at the oversold area. So technically now you need to look in for buy. To buy you need a price action here. So you need to wait in tomorrow what the market is going to give you. Maybe to give you here a double bottom, a head, a shoulder, a triangle. You need to be focused about that one what the market is going to give you here for you to enter long. Because you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. From here last time it jumped up and now that's what it's showing here. It's showing as if it's going to jump up from here. So you need to wait in a price action for you to confirm for you to enter long because our indicator is it down here at the oversold area. So you need just a price action now. If the price action met, you need to enter long, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.